One E30 Eagle Eye new flashlight. Comes with a clip, detachable. Also it comes with a tether or like a rope. So first of all, slim, perfect EDC flashlight that is adjustable with a clip. Also this side here detaches and slides to the side for AAA batteries, so you can take two of them, or it can be used on a rechargeable USB-C. Love it. So there's a button from flickering, like automatic, instant, and then there's a one. Let's see, there's a memory. They got double click and then activates the different modes. And then it has a memory light, double click, then I can change the modes. Off, single click. Pretty awesome. Turn it off. Very cool, slim design. One have come up with a really cool flashlight. I like that a lot. It fits my hand really well, and it's slim, so it's very comfortable to hold it. And all I have to do is just press it right here. Double click it, it will be brighter, and I can walk around with it. Very comfortable. Love it. Press and hold, off, and it gets really bright too. I got right here 3 more One beads, just the beads, and there's 3 different kinds. Just wanted to see what they're all about. So cool. So it goes on the back of the lanyard of a flashlight or a knife or other tools, like everyday carry tools, maybe like a multi-tool, pliers and stuff. So 3 different colors. All they have to do is stay in the sun. They protect it with glass. It's called Firefly Pro One on each bead. Beautiful. Very big beads too. So let's see how they glow in the dark. Okay, in the darkness they all glow really well. The blue one has the best glow output, but yeah, that's cool. Let's go in a really dark place. Okay, close it off. See how bright it gets. Oh yeah, the blue definitely has the best light output, but the other colors are really cool as well. Well, maybe I should just flip it over. There it is. It is not that it's the best output. It's been lit up on one side. No, the blue one doesn't need to be on one side. It's like glows all the way around. Let's do one at a time. So where the light hit it, it is brighter. Same thing with this one. It's dark on this side, bright on this side. But the blue one have the best light all around. So beautiful little beads, glow in the dark beads. So that way if I drop in the grass while camping my tool, a knife, it is easy to spot in the dark. And obviously the blue one is the best. But in a really dark area, they'll look awesome. I got right here another interesting lighter. So I kind of collect lighters sometimes, and it's a laser activating lighter. So all I have to do is just open it right here, and the laser will pop through here, and all I have to do is just break through the laser and it will activate. How cool is that? I wish I had some kind of fog we would see the laser. Maybe I'll turn off the lights. I don't see the laser, it's more of like a light. But yeah, there's a laser activating it. All I have to do is just touch the laser and it will light up. Very interesting. I like that lighter. And obviously that's a plasma lighter. Very cool. I got it here peel container or like a dry container for everyday carry. It looks like a rocket. Also there's a window breaker, so for the keys, break through the window like a tempered glass window on a car. so to get out of it, just in any case. I love that. Pretty sharp corner, also like somewhat self-defense, I'd say. And there it is, just a container with a couple of what do you call this, rubber rings, and there you go. Close it back up. I like that. Beautiful little missile rocket with the flame right here on the back. And again, yeah, it is definitely pointy, and this is more of a window breaker. So yeah, dual purpose right here. Very cool. Also, it's very lightweight too. Found Night Fox mini keychain flashlight. Interesting. So it comes with the cover if necessary. Ooh, that's cool. So it becomes a mini lantern. I never seen anything like that. So there it is, a little lantern attachment for tiny flashlight. Look at that. So now we can see 360 because it's a little lantern. So I can hang it in the tent and it will be 360 light. That is awesome. And without this, it is very bright flashlight. Just pointing it up and down. Love it. Very small, and all I have to do is just activate it by twisting it. And the keyring is right here. Boom. So hang it on the backpack. And again, I never seen this right here is actually also glow in the dark. So if I drop it in the darkness, I will see it. I love it. Still can be used as a flashlight, but hang it in a tent or in a car, and it's a little lantern. So the smallest, world's smallest lantern flashlight, or like keychain lantern flashlight. I love it. Wow. And also, whoa, it glows now a lot. Also, I can put it all the way deep. It's become more of a flashlight, and I kind of like it because it's like a protection for a flashlight as well. It's very, I don't know, like a soft, like a silicone soft. Love it, flashlight so much. Got it here, tactical pen, pocket pen with like a little arm, I would say, or like a lever. It is just pretty satisfying to flick. Thought it was just cool, like a little trigger almost. But yeah, more of a lever. So yeah, there's a pen, heavy duty, very comfortable. And let's see the mechanics of it real quick. It is simple. That is regular pen. Seems like aluminum, I would say. Maybe more, maybe some kind of steel, because it's pretty heavy. I like it. And boom, very comfortable. Fidgety for sure. Got it here, leather keychain holder. This is a tag, awesome brand. So it will take one of those chopsticks in, and what's cool about leather, it will stretch a little bit for the bigger ones. This chopstick looks like a bit too big, so this is a non-standard chopstick. It's one of those bigger one that comes out, so now we know that it will not fit in one of this holder, but regular chopsticks will fit in there no problem, and it will just close like that. Pretty awesome. Boom. Okay, that's the size the chopstick will fit easily, and now it's gonna look cool and protected. But what's happening here? Why is it not closing? What kind of chopstick do they want me to put in? Oh, there it is. Just need to stretch it out a little bit and figure it out how it works. And now it sits really nice and tight. It becomes a really nice keychain. If I need the chopstick, pull it out and then lock it back in. Boom. Very cool.